So today we're gonna discuss about limits of function. The limits of function of f of x is the value it is approaches as the value of x approaches a certain value. The notation is as follows that limit of f of x as x approaches to a is L. Here are the steps in finding the limits. Step 1. Pick a value that is a bit lesser than or more than x depending on the approaches. Examples are 1.5, 1.9, 1.9, or 1.01. Step 2. Complete the table that approaching from the left and from the right. 3. After the table has been complete, we have a strong evidence that the limit of function is a particular value. There are also circumstances where the function does not approach in a particular value in which the limit does not exist. Limits typically fail to exist for one of four reasons. First reason, the one-sided limits are not equal. Second, the function does not approach an infinite value. Example, basic definition of the limits. Third, the function does not approach a particular value. Fourth, the x value is approaching as the endpoint of the closed interval. Example number 1, finding the limit as x approaches to 1. Now we are going to find the left side limit and the right side limit. Coming from the left side limit of negative 2, we need the value that are slightly lesser than 1. And now, coming from the right side of 0, we are going to choose values that are slightly bigger than negative 1. Therefore, the limit of x as approaches to 1, x cubed minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 4. Example number 2. Finding the limit as x approaches to 2, we are gonna find the left side and the right side of the limit. Coming from the left side of 1, we need the value that are slightly less than 2. And coming from the right side of 3, we are gonna choose values that are slightly bigger than 2. Now you need to remember this. If the left side limit and the right side limit does not have the same value, then it does not exist or it is called DNE. Example number 3 and the last example. Finding the limit as x approaches to negative 3, like example number 1 and example number 2, we are gonna find the left side limit and the right side limit. Coming from the left side limit of negative 4, we need values that are slightly lesser than negative 3. And now coming from the right side of 2, negative 2, we are gonna choose values that are slightly bigger than negative 3. Therefore, the limit of x as approaches to negative 3, x cubed plus 27 over x plus 3 is equal to 27. Thank you for watching and see you next time.